Got it on. Yep. Shoots. I don't know.
I wonder which bike Boone's riding on.
Who? Not Bobby. That's a girl. Oh, okay. I don't see Emilio.
Is there Emilio? Is that Emilio?
No, I don't know.
I mean, that's...
Who is it? Really?
Yeah.
What?
I think the last one was me.
Okay, here comes the rest of the group, maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Oops. No,
now they're
more of them. Veterans. There he is, look.
Oh, there he is. Oh, he's going that way.
Who was it?
There's Rusty.
There's Emilio.
Hey, KO.
He's on the side right here.
That's the boss lady waving at me.
Oh,
She's
okay.
up back with Rusty. He's riding his victory. Hey, William. Yeah. The lady on the back was his wife. I call her the boss lady.
Okay.
He's on his victory, too.
He has a nice bike.
Yeah, I thought he brought his Sons of Anarchy bike, but he didn't. I don't know who that is. Part of the cast. But the cast is these guys here. Most of them riding with Rusty.
You better be. Who's this?
He's telling me there's about 100 and some odd people when they do a show. There's 100 and some odd people